Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore segmentation errors in Twilio SendGrid marketing lists, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore segmentation errors in Twilio SendGrid marketing lists, begin by logging into your SendGrid account. Navigate to the Marketing Campaigns section from the dashboard. Select the Contacts tab to access your marketing lists. Locate the specific marketing list that contains segmentation errors. Click on the list to open its details. Review the segmentation criteria applied to the selected list. Identify any discrepancies or incorrect settings within the segmentation. If you find errors, click on the Edit button to modify the segmentation criteria. Make necessary adjustments to ensure that the criteria match your intended audience. After making changes, ensure to save your updated segmentation settings. Next, return to the main contacts page. Highlight the list to which you want to restore segmentation. Use the Reapply Segmentation option to refresh the filtered contacts. Depending on the size of your list, this process may take a few moments. Once the reapplication is complete, review the updated list of contacts. Check for any remaining errors in segmentation. If issues persist, consider removing and re-adding contacts to the list. Alternatively, export the list for a comprehensive review before making changes. After ensuring all segments are accurately configured, consider testing the segmentation. Create a sample campaign to validate that the segmentation works as intended. Check the campaign preview to ensure the right contacts are included. Finally, monitor the performance of your campaigns to assess the effectiveness of your restored segmentation. Make adjustments as needed based on performance analytics in the dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.